In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Clickbank account if you are new to affiliate marketing and you want to get started today. So first of all, what you want to do is head over to clickbank.com, and then once you are on the main page here, you'll need to go over to affiliates right there at the top and click on that. Once you click on affiliates, you'll be brought to this page here, and now you can simply click on start here to get started creating your account. So once you click on this, what you will get is this little pop-up box here, and you will go through a little questionnaire. So all you simply need to do is go through and click on any of the relevant answers that are for you. So I'll be back with you in a moment once I've got through this section. So once you've gone through that little questionnaire, you should be brought to this page here, and as you can see, you now need to create a nickname for your new Clickbank account. So click on create new nickname, and then once you do this, as you can see, it will now ask you for an email address. Once you have entered in a valid email address, you can now click on the submit button, and then once you click on submit, you can now click on continue account setup. Once you click on continue account setup, as you can see, you'll be brought to this page here. So all fields are mandatory and needed to be filled out with accurate information. So for me, my country is the United Kingdom, so obviously choose whichever is relevant to you, and then put in now your first and last name. So all you simply need to do is fill out all of this information here, and when you are entering your phone number, please be aware that you need to have your country code right there at the front, otherwise it will not accept it. So once you have done this and you have created your password, you can now go down to the bottom and click to continue to terms and conditions. Click on continue to terms and conditions, and obviously you can read through all of this stuff, and then once you have done that, you can click on join Clickbank. Once you click on join Clickbank, what that will do is it will start creating your account. It might take a couple of seconds here, and then as you can see, once you have done that, you'll be brought to this page here, so you can join a free group with access to live training, exclusive content and stuff like that, or you can click on no thanks, continue to sign up. So as you can see, once you have done that, your Clickbank account will now be created.